Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to link a card to PayPal. And also in this video I'll be teaching you the best card you could link to your PayPal account. So from your PayPal account you could literally withdraw your money from your PayPal account into this card, and also with this card you could withdraw your money at any bank in the world. Guys, you could withdraw your money at any bank. Even in Nigeria you could withdraw your money at any bank. And also this video I'll be teaching you the best card you could link to your PayPal account that's going to work perfectly fine without no limit or no restriction right now. So the best card on my list right here that I've been using for the quite some years right now is the UBA dollar prepaid card. So right now I'll be showing you how the UBA dollar prepaid card literally looks like. So right now this is how the UBA dollar prepaid card literally looks like. So you can see right here on my screen. So this is how the UBA dollar card super looks like. It's right there. This is how the card literally looks like. So I'll be showing you how you could get this card and what you need in order for you to be able to get this card. I'll be showing you what you can also do with the card right now on my screen right now. So I advise you watch this video to the end so that you're gonna know how to use this card and how to link it to your PayPal account. So right now, in order for you to able to get this card, you just need three things right now. Number one thing, you need your NIN or your voter's card, and also you need a utility bill. Is that your NEPA bill or whatever bill you have, just your utility bill. And also you need at least $10 cash. You need a $10 cash right now for you to be able to, you need to deposit this money into the card once you are being given. So with the card you have to link it to your PayPal account. So let me quickly show you the UBA website and everything you could do with your card and how to go about the card. You see right here, I'm on the UBA dollar card right now. I'm on their website right now. You can see right here it's loaded up. Let's give it a while to load. And yeah, you can see right here, this is the card right now. And you can see right now this card is not linked to any account. You could literally create this card without not having any account with the UBA. You could see right now this card is really awesome. You could create the card without not creating an account with the UBA. I'm gonna be giving the card right now. So you can see right here, this card is great for budgeting and controlling and also spending. So you could use this card to literally pay for things online. Like you could use it to buy gift cards and all of that. You could use it for subscription and all of that, like Facebook ads if you run Facebook ads and all of that. So you can see right here, you could spend $10,000 monthly with this card. You can see right here, this is awesome. There's no card that gonna give you this. You could spend $10 monthly with this card right now. So you can see right here, it's popping up on my screen. You could literally spend $10 monthly with this, and these are the fees for the fees. You can see right here, they are not literally charging much. Their fees are literally low. You can see right here, just $3.31. So right here, their fees are literally low. I just love this card a lot. And you can see right here, in order for you to withdraw your money at any POS or at any ATM, so right here their fees are zero, is low. So right here their fees are zero. You can literally use this card to withdraw from any ATM in the world. And what I love about this app is it is not linked to any account at all. You can literally create get this card without not having an account with the UBA, guys. So if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video like this, because I teach you guys how to make money online on my channel right now. So if this is what you want to see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you can right here, like I said, all you need to get this card right here, because right here, this is all you need. You just walk into any UBA branches and request for a dollar prepaid card. Because right here is simply easy and fast. It is easy. All you just need is to go to any UBA branch at your area. Because right here, you could walk to any UBA branch at your area in order to get a card. Because right here, what you need right now is your financial institution. I think yeah, your financial institution with maybe for those who has like literally gotten a loan before. So there's one slip they're gonna give you, so you could use the slip. So and the second thing you could also bring with you, I think they say lawyer program. I don't know what this literally means, but right now you could walk in with your school ID. You could write here. You could use your school ID like your NIN or voter's card. Like I said, you could also use that one to be able to get this card. So once you have your NIN and your utility bill, then you need to go with a sum of $10. So you could literally go to any aboki to go do the conversion from naira to dollars. Then you could literally deposit this money into your UBA card. And once you are done depositing your UBA card, all you just need is to go to your PayPal account right now. So it does not matter what country you created a PayPal account in. You just go to your PayPal account, then you go to the banks, to the bank section, the banks and card section. Then you could literally link it. Then once you link it, PayPal is going to debit you at least I think $1 to $2 or so. So once you are done, once they already debited your account, your PayPal account, the card will be linked to your PayPal account. Then from there you could literally withdraw your money into your UBA card. Then once you are done withdrawing your money to your UBA card, you could then go to any bank at all to go withdraw the money in dollars. Then from there you could do the conversion to your naira. So if you want me to do a video on how to convert your money, your dollars into naira at a good rate, just all you just need is to go to the comment section below, and tell me I should create a video. So if I've gotten a lot of comments, I'm going to create a video on how to convert your dollar into naira at a very good rate, guys. So if you have gotten any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because right now I teach you guys how to make money online right here on my channel. I share with you this side hustle you could start up that is gonna start making you some money online. I also teach business organization entrepreneurs and on how to grow their business online. So if this is one of you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So guys, the video to PayPal on how to create a PayPal account is going to be popping up right here on your screen. So guys, go watch the video and I'm going to see you.